In front of me is XIAOMI Pad 8, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings and click on More Connectivity Options right away. Then scroll to tap on Printing section and tap on one of those print services, System Printing Service or Mi Home. You can also use any other one. They all turn on the same way, so just tap on yours. Make sure this switcher is blue and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. If you're still having some issues, you can click on More at the bottom and tap on Add Printer. If your printer supports Wi-Fi Direct printing, use this switcher to activate it. Make sure to tap on Allow for it to work. Tap on Find Wi-Fi Direct printers and wait for your tablet to search for yours. You can also click on Add Printer by IP address, import it here and tap on Add to connect manually. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!